Hi Stacey, my name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a digital marketing agency and we just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be competing with the multiple other agents on the same platform for large amounts of money. So to get started here, three things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. But I want to point out that I'm really glad to see that you have Realty with Realty Standard here, because what that says is that you're letting people know that you're a realtor. So you do have that going for you as far as your Facebook profile goes, and I'm glad to see that. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't have that, and it's like, well, how is anybody else supposed to know you're a realtor without you letting people know? So I am glad to see that. I didn't see. Okay, yeah. So I didn't see a website link here, but moving forward today, the first thing we're talking about is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And so those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you directories. And so that's going to help you with this map pack. As you can see, I typed in Southern Palm Beach Realtors. And we got Diane Whittick, we got South Palm Realty, we got Johnny Carreras. And so the biggest thing to take from this is that Diane Whittick and Johnny Carreras are actually realtors of their own that have Google My Business pages that are ranking in the first three positions. So you can have your own too. I don't think that you do have a Google My Business page because I couldn't find it. But as you can see, Diane Whittick, Johnny Carreras, we have Francisco Munoz, we have Raymond Fernandez, realtor, Melissa Brown. So these realtors have Google My Business pages and they're bringing in money from this. They're bringing in money. So I did use Francisco Munoz, realtor, and his Google My Business page for the purposes of this video. This is what it's going to look like, pretty basic. A lot of times, one thing that I don't want to have you hindered by is that the address. So a lot of times realtors that work out of their home or whatever, they don't want to put their address. They don't want clients seeing where they live. So either A, use your brokerage's address, or B, you can actually use your home address just to get the Google My Business page. And then once you get it, you can actually hide this address from the public so they won't see that. So if that's of concern to you, don't worry about it. But this is a basic profile. Francisco actually has no reviews, so that's good for you, because if you have one review, you're going to beat him on reviews. So we actually recommend minimum 25 reviews on your Google My Business page. So, but then again, obviously, if you had one, you'd be beating Francisco. So 25 reviews minimum, and then just obviously your phone number and then your website. Once you get a website, that is going to work for you. But the other thing is photos. So as you can see, Francisco has no photos. He has this Google Drive-By. And so that means that when you get your Google My Business page and you have even one photo, you're gonna beat Francisco right out of the park, and he's on the first page. But we actually recommend 10 photos minimum, and then just keep in mind that search engines read how your photos are saved on the back end. So how you saved your photos is read by search engines, and obviously you want that to be good content. So a lot of times when we upload photos, the computer will create a file name for the photo that you didn't necessarily choose, and a lot of times it consists of just letters and numbers, random, and that's not going to bring value. So you're going to want to make sure that you put in some good content on all your photos. So we recommend 10 minimum, 25 reviews, and then just get your Google My Business page and some citations, and you'll be right up in this map bag, bringing in some major leads from that. I actually did find a, website through Realty Standard for you, but it's pretty basic, and I don't know if this is actually bringing you any leads. So even though, yeah, you do have one, I don't think this is doing you any good. So I would highly suggest either A, revamping this one, but to be honest with you, I just get my own website, rebuild, start from scratch. It's really not that much money. You can actually get a website. You could build one yourself, and so like I said, just keep in mind that content is king in the eyes of Google, and so the more content you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos, how the photos are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So very important to keep in mind that how you save your photos, especially on a real estate website with the IDX feed and all the photos from real estate, you want to make sure you save them properly. It's going to help you rank and bring value to the world. So I actually used this website that you have here, which is just, again, very basic. I don't think this website's bringing you any leads. I don't think it's bringing you any leads whatsoever. I think nobody's finding it unless they type it in randomly or come across it by chance. So the next thing is backlinks. So when you get your website, I highly suggest doing your homework and getting the proper backlink. So not all backlinks are created equal. What a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So anywhere that www.realtystandard.com /Stacey Peleg, anywhere that can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so the more backlinks you have, the better. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you want your backlinks coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. And as you can see here, we have no data for backlinks, no referring domain data. You have 0 keywords you're ranking for, and your domain rating is 6, and that's a 6 out of 100. So a lot of room to grow. I don't think that Realty Standard is really bringing you any value as far as your website goes and your online presence. So I would suggest just getting your own. But either way, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some leads and in turn more cash. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.